Bell peppers are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. Red onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds. Portobello mushrooms are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to your diet. They are also a good source of antioxidants and contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation. Red onions contain fiber and prebiotics, which can improve gut health. Roma tomatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. Cilantro is a good source of vitamins C and K. Eating a healthy diet can provide a number of health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. It can also help with weight management, improve mood and cognitive function, and boost overall energy levels.